In the ever-changing landscape of manufacturing, Quickbase is built to help you eliminate gray work-type waste and increase efficiency while giving your team a true competitive advantage. Quickbase consolidates data across the entire manufacturing spectrum, providing manufacturing teams with a real-time, comprehensive view of their workflows. With shop floor management, Quickbase allows you to optimize your production processes, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. Our computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, empowers you to streamline maintenance tasks, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Quickbase's EHS quality and safety capabilities keep your manufacturing environments safe and compliant, empowering your team to prioritize workplace safety and quality standards. But Quickbase is more than just a technical solution. It's a powerful tool that advances the manufacturing industry for decades to come. By centralizing data, enabling customization without extensive coding, automating workflows, and enhancing real-time collaboration, Quickbase empowers manufacturers to achieve efficiency, agility, and operational excellence. It's time to connect everything through a single source of truth. The Quickbase platform helps businesses mitigate risk, reduce waste, and to cut down unexpected costs. With automated workflows and granular permissions, the right people will have access to the right information. Visit our website today to learn more about how Quickbase can transform your manufacturing operations.